Actually, I'm attending for the first time. I got the review from my manager that this is very effective for the development of our career. So he insisted entire team to attend the session.
Oh, that's
I think the session was, first of all, I would say that the session was very nice, and I think the things which we get from the session I can carry forward throughout my career. So I think all UST members should attend the session and to adopt the things from the session to implement in their career, and even we need to learn more from here.
Yeah.
Sure, I will surely recommend. I even we are working with multiple teams, so I will surely recommend for them also to attend the sessions. Even I think from the beginning stage, a new joiner to a higher hierarchy manager should attend the session for their betterment.